Amy, why you look so worried?
Ted, I am very worried about the open exam at the end of the month. It is because its results are critical to my application of the admission to the overseas universities. I have to get good marks in this exam.
I can understand why you worry now. How are you going to prepare for the exam?
I am practicing by going through the past exam papers.
It is a good idea.
Yes. Unfortunately, I have no clue on how to approach the speaking part.
I see. If you do not mind, may I help you on this? We can do the practices after school. What do you think?
Wow, it is wonderful. It is definitely a great help to me. Thank you, Ted.
Not at all.